Hello guys, welcome back to Delta Bytes. So today we are going to check or see how this Open AI Chat AI compared to Chatgpt. It is an open source assistance AI that is from OpenAssistant company. So this it is an open source. You don't have to pay anything. You can try it and interact with it. So as you can see in the website, in the same way that Stable Diffusion helped the world make art and images in US, we want to improve the world by providing amazing conversational AI. So you can as well go to this website and click on try our assistant. So you can sign up here, but I'm not going to do it. I've already integrated with the project that I'm doing here, AI Bytes, so I'm going to interact it from this side. So as you can see here, you can try to refresh and select start anew. It's going through road. So what Hugging Chat can do, it can write you emails, code, games, assist in task. So maybe for instance, let's say assist in task. When you see it, you can see it is generating here. So let it for it to start generating. How do I make the decision? Yeah, too many requests in one hour. Try again later. Oh, maybe I've tried so many of them. Let's see. You can ask her, give salutations. Hello. Yeah, what can I assist you today? How are you? Let's see how it's going to respond. I don't have feelings or emotion like human do, so I can't say that I'm feeling. I don't know. However, I'm really waiting to help you with the question you. So, send me an email. An email. Yeah. Let's see the response. Write an email. I'll wait for it. Sure, I can help you. I mean, can you please provide me with more details on who the recipient is and why you are writing to them? And what message do you want to convey in your email? Additionally, let me know if this is a formal or informal email. The different type of require varying tone and structure. With these details, I can create an outline for you to use in drafting your email. So I want to send formal emails to to a to a company that's looking for Python developers, asking for a job. Let's see. Understood. Before we start crafting a template for your job application, here's a quick reminder. Remember to tailor each individual message to match the requirement listed by the employer. Doing so increases your chance of getting a shortlisted of others who submit generic messages without understanding the unique needs. You may also include your resume along with the introduction email where appropriate. Let's begin. Yeah, so I'm going to copy this yeah, let's begin now. So it has the capability also to to remember previous chats that all the question you have asked earlier and the answers he provided. But sometimes, like this one, you consider as big creator over right now the email, man. Write the email. Wait, write the email. Yeah. So here, hmm. Dear whoever recipient, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to express my interest in pursuing a Python developer role within your esteemed organization. Then you name the company. As someone with experience developing web applications using Python, I believe I could contribute towards further growth at your company. While also continuously learning from professionals within the industry. My previous accomplishments were gained through freelancing work, which spanned several years, during which time I developed several projects, which you can find linked below. From I pride myself on possessing excellent solving skills, attention to detail, and a passionate desire to learn new things, all attributes deemed essential for a senior Python developer. Should you wish to progress our conversation further, feel free to contact me via LinkedIn or directly at here. Then you press your email or phone number, then kindly guess your name. So maybe let's say write me a motivation or yeah poem. Let's see what's going to generate. And a point to note there, you can see there is a disclaimer: generated content may be inaccurate or false. So it is generating the road of success is never easy nor straight for each step taken requires hard work and strain. But when challenges come and doubt arise, remember this simple truth: as paradise lies ahead. Through dedication, commitment, patience, and perseverance in face of adversity, one can achieve great heights beyond measures. Success comes to those willing to take risk in life. I think it is omitting some punctuations, but you can see where there is a new sentence starting. You can as well note with the capital starting with capital letters. Yeah. So can you code a snake game using Python? Certainly, hey, it's generating. It will generate certainly here is some sample code written in Python that demonstrate how to implement a basic snake game. Keep in mind that this snippet only represent one way of implementing the snake game, and there are multiple variations. Also consider testing the program before proceeding to add the graphical user interface, because I won't be able to test it locally. Good luck with your project. So where is the code? Oh, where is the code? Oh, yeah, I noticed sometimes you have to ask the question maybe twice. Uh, like the ChatGPT, it is also apologizing. What is this? Please note that due to character limits of text-based platforms such as this one, I will need to refer you to online resources for details. So, do you want to? I think it can as well access the internet, so it can do the web serving for you. So when you prompt it with your question, it's going to search it. Let's see. Can you access the web for me? The web for me. So I think like the ChatGPT, if you can look keenly here, what is it? Unfortunately, as a large model AI, I don't currently have direct internet access where I aim to answer questions to the best of my ability based on my training data. I can sometimes encounter queries that surpass the scope of my knowledge cut off depth. So, so it is also trained to with the data up to 20 September 2021 as it is here. So when possible, I might suggest an external sources of or offer tips on how user can locate information themselves. Uh, okay, so and like I see it is using Rama 30B. I bet this one is for is it the other? Let's see, for Facebook. Yeah. Yeah, it is using the Rama models by Meta AI. So due to the license attached to the Rama models by Meta AI, it is not possible to directly distribute Llama-based model. Instead, we provide XOR weights for the uh, OA models. Okay, alright. So you can check it on the Hugging Face and read more about it, as well as you can check it on their GitHub pages to learn more about it. So that's for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe on this channel, like this video to hack the algorithm, and share with others. As always, see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. I'm out.